Hello everyone, here we've taken a part of hair, securing it with a rubber band and then making a braid out of it by dividing it into two parts. Here we are making a braid by taking hair from one side little by little so that this beautiful braid can be formed, and repeat it with the other side also. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a part of hair from both the sides, securing it with any hair clip, and then you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are dividing our hair into two parts, folding it into this type of shape and then converting it into a low bun. Secure it with any hair clip or hairpin and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a part of hair, rolling it out with this type of tool or wire and converting it into a bun. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken one side of the hair and then we are making a braid out of it by taking hair little by little from the side, and then you can see your beautiful one side braid is ready. Now you can repeat it with other side also. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken some hair, converted him into two ponytails and it's ready.